You've designed these very specifically for those of us who want a quick, fast project, right?
Yeah, I made it super easy.
Yeah, you did.
That goes with the name Par 3. That's the easiest hole on the course.
Yeah, easiest hole on the course is the Par 3.
Yeah, shortest too.
Unless you're Kris, and then it's more like I got a 7, 8, 9.
It's more of a 6 or 7, yeah.
But and really, honestly, if you think about it, you could do this in basically 3 steps, right?
Yeah.
I mean, we're cutting it and peeling it off, putting it on there, and then you choose what you want to do after that, right? Now, the thing that I love about these is that you actually decided that you wanted to frame them.
Yeah, so we kept it super simple. We've got the half square triangles paired up with each other, and then that gorgeous green, like I said, the fairways.
Yes.
Gorgeous white, like the bunkers. And these are actually just super easy 2-inch strips, I believe.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
And so it went together super quick.
Now, you could cut this all yourself and put it together, or...
Yeah.
What did you decide to do?
Well, we made it easy.
Yeah, we did.
And so we have kits available where you can get pre-cut strips of everything.
Holy smokes.
With, and then just fusing on the back.
Yeah, look at this.
So it comes together super easy, just like a,
oh my
Lego
goodness.
set or whatever.
There you go, just like a Lego set. I love it.
That's how I thought of it, yeah. So with grass clippings, there's a lot of half square triangles in those strips. So luckily we made it really easy with the kit. You can just come over here.
So these are all kind of put together, so that you have... you don't have all these little pieces falling out all over the place. So how do we know, Robbie, where all of these pieces go?
Yeah, so with grass clippings, you'll just start corner to corner, kind of just line it up.
Oh my goodness.
Super easy.
Yeah.
And then you just have to take that to the iron.
Oh, let me.
Yes.
All the work is done. The hardest part's going to be getting those...
It's lining up edge to edge.
And getting that. And then make sure that you're pressing, not ironing.
Yep.
Okay, so Robbie, we've got the first piece on. That was easy, right? Allison?
How'd I do?
I think you did well. I think you lined it up.
Yay!
So then we have a half square triangle right here in the top left-hand corner.
So you can just start by piecing it like so. And the hardest part's just lining it up. So just take a second and make sure you got in the right spot.
I would also, do you think it would be easier just to do one at a time? So you're butting this up right against that. And then once that is butted up against, then you butt up against this one, right?
Yes.
I mean, it doesn't get any simpler. And then if we were to go to the second row, what would be the next step? Would you be taking that next strip and lining it up there?
Yeah, so I like to line it up more along the half square triangles to make sure that they connect as they go down.
That's a good idea.
Yeah.
That's brilliant.
That is a math mind right
there.
That
is a math mind.
Because Kris, I would have done the other way.
Yes.
Yeah,
and
I would have.
What
happens if they don't line up and then you have that white?
Yeah.
So guess what I would have done, Robbie?
You would have had to
pull out a green Sharpie.
Yeah.